I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to block someone in Proton Mail using the Proton website. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to proton.me/mail, and then sign into your Proton Mail account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your Proton Mail homepage. Step 2. Click Settings at the top of this screen. A settings menu opens. Step 3. Click All Settings. Step 4. Scroll down the menu on the left side of the screen to the Proton Mail section and then click Filters in this section. Associated options are shown on the right side of the screen. Step 5. Navigate to the Spam, Block, and Allow List section and then click Add Address or Domain. A menu opens. Step 6. Click Block in this menu. An Add to Block List window opens. Step 7. In the Address Type section, choose to block either a specific mail or an entire email domain. In this example, I'll choose to block a single email address. In the following field, enter the specific email or email domain you want to block email from and then click Add Address. That window will close. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom of the filter screen, you'll see this email or email domain added to a block list and will be blocked going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.